What makes a global language? There are many misunderstandings circulating in the world about the success of a language as an international language. Some believe it's the perceived aesthetic qualities of a language which make it popular internationally. Others believe it's the clarity of expression, literary power, religious influence, or simple structure and grammar which are responsible for the worldwide spread of a language. There are similar misunderstandings about the popularity of English language. Some people believe it is the ease of learning of English which has made it such a popular language in the world. However, those who've learned English as a foreign language, people in Pakistan included, can very well understand that this is not the case. People also believe that it is easy to learn English because it has few inflectional endings. An inflectional ending is when a word changes form, especially at the end. In this way, a verb is inflected when it changes into different tenses. A noun is inflected into singular and plural. An adjective is inflected into superlative and comparative degrees. People also believe that English is a gender-neutral language, which means that it does not make any distinction in masculine and feminine in the use of nouns, verbs, and adjectives. There are certain qualities which make a language appealing for learning to people in general, and we can see these qualities present in English. One is familiar vocabulary. English has borrowed thousands of words from different languages which it came into contact with and has a big repertoire of vocabulary. It is also believed that English has a democratic nature, which means that its grammar does not code itself into different social classes, which is a quality which is present in some other languages, and therefore people find English a democratic language as it does not make any distinction between different classes. English also has a cosmopolitan character because of the variety of vocabulary it has borrowed from other languages. However, a language does not become global because of its structural properties, its vocabulary, or its association with great literature, culture, or religion. All these factors may motivate people to learn a language, but they cannot ensure the worldwide spread of a language. The one thing which is responsible for the spread of a language is a strong power base. Political power, military power, economic power, technological power, and cultural power. It is because of the political and military power that Greek was a popular language. It was not popular or was not used as a language for international communication because of the intellect of Socrates or Plato. It became an international language because of the power that the armies of Alexander the Great wielded. Similarly, Arabic was used as a lingua franca in Africa and many other Middle Eastern countries because Islamic armies went to different countries with the mission of spreading Islam. In the present day, we can see French, Portuguese, English, and Spanish entering into Americas, Africa, and Far East as a result of the colonial policies of these countries. However, in modern times, it's not only the political or military power which is required for making a language a global language. We also need economic power, technological power, and cultural power. In the present times, economics has replaced and has become the main impetus behind most of the world events. So, military power is needed to establish a language. However, economic power is needed to spread and maintain that language.